Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Intro to Robo. In my last video, we made a car using bow motor. Today, we will be using the Oled display. I will show you how to type text and also display shapes on the Oled display. Let's begin. The components we need is the Oled display, Arduino, breadboard and jumper wires. Now let us make the connection. We will be connecting the ground to the ground of the Arduino, VCC to the 5V, SCL to analog pin 5 and SDA to analog pin 4. Now moving to the code part, first we need to install two different libraries. So go to Sketch, include library and then to manage libraries. Now type Adafruit GFX. As you can see, I have already installed this library. The second library which we need is the SSD1306 library. As you can see, I have installed this one as well. You can install the latest version. Now include the wire library as we need it for the code. Then include both the libraries which we installed. Now we are going to define the OLED reset. Then Adafruit display OLED reset and then define the logo height, define the logo width. Now moving to the void setup, write wire.begin, open parenthesis and then close it and then semicolon in the end. Now this part is quite important. This is the address of the device. For my device the address is 3C. If it is not the same for you guys, you can change it to 3D. Now first we are going to create a function void text, open close parenthesis, open flower bracket. First we are going to type display.clear display. This will clear the OLED display. Open close parenthesis and then semicolon. In the next line we are going to set the color of the text. Now type display.setTextColor. Now open bracket and write white in capital, close bracket and semicolon. Now we are going to set the text size. I am keeping my text size as 2. Next, we are going to set the cursor. I am going to type 0, 10. Now these 2 points are the x and y coordinates in the OLED display. My text is going to start from the 0 in the x-axis and 10 in the y-axis. Now we are going to write the text which we want to display. Display.print and in brackets open double quotes. I'm going to type intro to robo, close bracket and then semicolon. Now we are going to give a delay in the end. Now close the flower bracket. In the void loop we are going to type text, open close parenthesis and then display.display. Now we are going to upload this code and check what we see in the OLED display. Now we printed only one word, which is intro to robo, which had the size as 2 and the cursor was set on 0, 10. Now we are going to change the size of the text and place the cursor at different points and print several words. So I will be setting the size to 1 and change the point to 0, 0. I will be setting the cursor to 0, 10 and change the word. Now again I will change the point of the cursor to 0, 20. Now let us upload this code and see what is displayed on the OLED display. Now I am going to show you guys how to print different shapes on the OLED display. So first in the word loop we are going to type display.clear display, open close parenthesis and semicolon. Then first we are going to draw rectangle. Display dot draw rect. Now open bracket. Now first we are going to type from where we want the rectangle to start, that is the point of x and y axis. I am going to type 1, 1, and then we are going to say how much we want the height and width to be. So type display dot width open close parenthesis -2 and then comma display dot height open close parenthesis -2. Now we are going to type the color in which we want this shape to be, which is white. Now what this code means is that we want the width to be 2 less than the actual width of the screen and height to be 2 less than the actual height of the screen. Now we are going to type display dot display and give a delay of 2 seconds. Now we are going to change this to draw a circle. The color will remain the same, but we are going to change the coordinates. The first two coordinates will be 63, 15. Now the first two coordinates show the center of the circle. The third one, which is 12, is the radius of the circle. Now we will copy paste this part again for triangle. For triangle, we need to give 3 different coordinates. I will be giving the coordinate 63, 1, 1, 25 and 126, 25. Now our code is ready. Let us upload this code and check how the different shapes are displayed in the Oled. Now we have come to the end of my video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Bye.